Now the AutoCAD software is governed by the Autodesk company. The Autodesk company first gave the name of the software, that was AutoCAD. Some of the students might say this software as CAD software, but after the initial takeover of the Autodesk has gave its name Auto. That is the initials of the company Autodesk. So the name of the software came to be AutoCAD. The version in which I am teaching you I am giving you the notes on AutoCAD is AutoCAD 2016. Here in this video, we will try to learn the basic toolbar situations, where all the toolbars are located and how to access them. On the extreme left side, we are having the Draw toolbar. The Draw toolbar is basically used for making lines, circles, rectangles, and so on. On the extreme right side, we can see the Modify toolbar. The Modify toolbar is used to modify the drawings, for example, move, copy, rotate, etc. At the extreme bottom, you can see the status bar highlighting some of the lights as on and off respectively in the blue color. This combinedly is called as the status bar. In the status bar, we can see the status of ortho, coordinates, customization, units, etc. On the topmost side of the AutoCAD software, you can see the ribbon toolbar. This ribbon toolbar has n number of toolbars, namely standard toolbar, properties toolbar, and so on. You can see a XY icon located at the extreme left. This is called as the UCS icon. The UCS icon stands for the User Coordinate System. The drawing can be made from origin with the help of UCS icon. At the bottom, you can see Model, Layout 1 and Layout 2. The model space is the space in which we draw the CAD models. Layout 1 and Layout 2 are used for taking the printout of the drawings. To start a new drawing, we will always press on the New tab. To give a command in AutoCAD, we will always use the command line, or we can do by clicking on the toolbars. But it is suggested that you always use the command line, as you are not sure on which version you are working and where the situation of or where the position of the toolbars are located. So there is a shortcut key for command line also. It is Ctrl+9.